Really important to keep your WordPress version of your blog up to date, which really helps you to be preventing any hacking attempts, malware coming up to your blog, and any failures. So we really recommend anybody who uses SeekerHost or whatever the WordPress blogging community to keep their WordPress blogs up to date. It's very easy to do that. And if you're of course hosting with SeekerHost, you can always ask us to do. Our support team will do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to go to the back end of your site and keep the WordPress version updated. This just takes only a matter of seconds to a minute and run through, do it. If you can't update any plugins due to any issue, always reach out to SeekerHost support and they will do it for you. Because I would recommend try to keep an eye every time when you log into the blog to do a blog post publishing. That way you always got the WordPress version updated. So when you come here, I have it already logged. You can see the plugins are showing. So what I would do, I can click here, or else I'll take you to the dashboard. On the dashboard, I can see please update the WordPress version. And then I'm going to click here, which is of course the plugins, install plugins, which I will click here to show you. You will see any other plugins also that needs updating. So that's just two themes, which I will update it if I'm using, because the theme I'm using, what I would do, I'll update that theme. It says to back up before doing so. I'm not going to download it right now, but because I have the automatic backup, it's actually even does that. So at the site connect to the, yes, so that's updated. So you came down to this thing. This is, and this one, I don't really need this theme, so I'll delete it. Do not have unwanted, unnecessary themes and all, because if you're not updating it, if you're not using it, you don't really need it. So then now what I will do, I'll come here, I'll just click the WordPress version update. It will take a little bit of time, but really important to keep the version updating to the latest version, right? So that the the blog is going to run healthy. And there's a reason why WordPress did an update. So don't leave it for years to months to until you have a vulnerability issue, and then the complete thing is messed up, will take hours and time to get recovered, and it's pretty dangerous. So always try to do it. So there's a way to download. I do not want the backups succeeded. Yes, nice, it's updated. Yeah, so it will give us a little time. Give a little time when you update it, but it will actually run through during that time. Try to do, if you're getting a lot of traffic to your blog, try to do it on a time that in the late evening or something, not in the daytime, because when you're doing the update, it will actually run on the maintenance mode, especially when the WordPress version update is taking place. So give a little time, and then what you can do, click back the blog and it's loaded. So it's all up to date, and you can see nothing to worry. WordPress version update. This is of course a WordPress this broken link checker with the all-in-one SEO plugin, which you can go to connect if you need. Not really required. And the other thing, if you have any spam comments, try to clear it out. I try to clear it out. If you want a spam to be completely blocked, there are tools that you can also block spams or any plugin comments to whatsoever. However, if you want some spam, sometimes there's going to be spam comments on it. Every time when you log in to do that, you can of course clear that out as well. So it's all nicely updated. Site is up to date, perfect. And that's how easy to do a WordPress version update, plugin update, theme update, and keep your blog nicely updated. It is really important to keep the WordPress version and the plugins that's installed on your blog up to date.